Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to find the last day of the month for a given date. Okay, I have a set of dates here. For every date I want the last day of that month. For example, here 26th July 15, I want that the July month last day, maybe 30 or 31. Okay, May, June, July, so it is 31, so 31 July. Okay, so similarly for all the dates. Why do we want to do this? Because most of the times when we calculate our calculations and revenue, sales, all those stuff, we work on a month period. So that time for a given transaction we want to know the that particular month. Okay, maybe July's last month, last day, or the first day, those stuff we wanted to put this date into a particular interval. Okay, for such cases we want the first day of that month and also last day of that month for a given date. Okay, we are doing this exercise which is very useful to our other big calculations and worksheets. Okay, so now what I am going to do, how can we find the last day of that particular month? For that we are going to use a function called EOMONTH. Okay, EOMONTH, end of month. Okay, you can see the returns the serial number of the last day of the month before or after a specified number of months. Okay, EOMONTH is accepting a date. Okay, and also it is very flexible. It not only can give the particular dates last day, it can give any months before or after this date also. Okay, I will show you an example here. EOMONTH of date is A2, and what you need to do is for the current month last day, so you just put a 0. Okay, so you will get the current month. So you don't add any more months to the date, just to use the date and give me the last day of the month, then is 0. Okay, you want the next month last day, then you can add months. Okay, so I add 1 month, then it will give you 31st August. But our objective here is to get the last month of the given date. This date's month, which is July, we want the last day of this July. Okay, so you put 0, and also if you put -1, it will go to the previous month, 30th June. Okay, I am just giving an example for EOMONTH. Okay, just to put a 0, you will get for the given date what is the last day. Okay, I will do it one more time. EOMONTH of this date. Okay, this date could be in any format. This one shown here 31st August -15, because I already defined this as that format. You can see here, go to format cells, you can see here date 14 March 2012, 2 digit of year. Yeah, this is DD -MM YY. Okay, that is the format I just selected to show to you in a proper order, but you can give any format, a date format. Okay, so now EOMONTH of the date, comma, number of months, current month, so no need to add any months. Okay, enter 31st of August. Okay, similarly for all the dates. Okay, 23 October is 31st October, 20th June is 30th June, because it has only 30 days. Okay, and so on. Probably we will do one more thing for February. Okay, we add 1 February. You see 22nd February 13 is 28th February. Okay, if it is a leap year, what will happen? Probably 12. 29th February is the last date. Okay, so it works very fine for all the dates, and you can use the end of month and add number of months, which is in this case it's 0, and return back the last day of the given date. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you, and if you like my videos, just subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any videos, and God bless you.